How to fix Microsoft Launcher error we were unable to verify or we couldn't connect to Minecraft services problem. So first of all, what you're gonna do is check on your browser that the servers are working perfectly fine. So open any browser in your device and go for Xbox status and hit search. And here you'll find the first website. Tap on it and tap on open link in new tab and go to this. In the meantime, also try opening the down detector Xbox Live Down website. Now go to the Xbox support, and here you can check if the server is down or is it the problem with your device. As you can see here, Xbox status, check this detail on the status of Xbox feature and functionality. Here, status key, the server is up and running, but it is limited and there is a major outage. And check games and gaming. Here you'll find outage reported problem and that they are fixing this issue, and that is why you may have problems syncing game saving to the cloud. Also, if you want to check from down detector, here you can find here is a graph showing if any problem has occurred or not. So here will be the conclusion that user reports show no current problems with Xbox network or live. So always try checking on both of these servers for accuracy, and if there is any server issue, after some time it will be available, so you just have to wait for some time. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel.